Hey, it's Mike and Chad. We'll talk about Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation. This is a SPAC that trades on the NASDAQ under symbol APXT. It was up over 2% on Tuesday, up to 14.97. This SPAC has been doing really well. I mean, look over the past month, it was trading around its baseline around 10.20. Then when they announced their merger with AvePoint, it moved up pretty hard. It did dip, but it's recovered. Now, there might be some question with the Apex and AvePoint merger because you see these these PR releases from law firms that they're investigating Apex Technology. There was another SPAC that had this news. Um, I, First of all, these are law firms, so they have no enforcement policy. Um, I'm seeing more and more of these SPACs getting these PR releases from law firms that we're investigating this merger or whatever. It's like they are a law firm; they have no enforcement policy. Now, if this was an investigation from like a district attorney or from the FBI, that's a whole other story. But unless this law firm can come up with any concrete evidence that there's any wrongdoing or any issue with the merger, then that would be notable. Right now, if you see any of these press releases, don't worry about them. Only worry if you hear about investigations that come from like a district attorney or a law enforcement company. So if you're new to Apex Technology, they're doing a merger with AvePoint that should close in the first quarter of 2021. And AvePoint is basically a cloud service that allows companies to manage their Microsoft 365 application. And the reason why AvePoint is really popular is that more and more companies are dealing with remote working. So if you're working remotely, you're going to get on Microsoft 365 on your laptop or desktop at home, and collaborate with other people in your company. And AvePoint will be able to take all that information, manage it, and protect it, and just make the workflow easier for those who use Microsoft 360. So AvePoint is definitely in a position of growth as more and more companies probably maintain remote working even after the economy reopens and offices reopen and all that stuff. So definitely take a look at Apex Technology. What I also like is that stock is not having one of those blow off top days that other SPACs are having where they're up 10, 12, 13%. It's moving up nice and orderly, which is a good stock that you want to get into. So definitely take a look at it. And as I said, don't worry if you hear about any of these shareholder alerts or law firms investigating. Like I said, unless they can come out with any legitimate information about the merger, it's not something that should let you lose any sleep at night. Okay, so if you want to take a look at Apex Technology Acquisition, trades on the NASDAQ and symbol APXT. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.